Let me now explain why it uses even less fuel. This is an issue that policymakers and the public, as well as our customers, are watching very closely. We have already achieved much in this respect. Our industry has reduced fuel consumption and thus CO2 emissions per ton kilometer by over 60% in the past 50 years. Fuel consumption of our Mercedes-Benz Actros has been reduced by around 15% since 2011 in the typical long-haul application scenario alone. With the new Actros, we are stepping it up again. In contrast to its predecessor, it consumes up to 3% less fuel in long-distance traffic and up to 5% less on overland routes. It wasn't easy to achieve that because as early as today, our vehicles are very efficient. So we are comparing ourselves to a high standard. It was possible to optimize it because we have optimized the overall truck system. We have made our intelligent cruise control predictive powertrain control, in short PPC, even smarter. So far, PPC was only able to incorporate grade inclines and descents in the shift strategy and accelerate and decelerate in anticipation accordingly. The new Actros processes high-resolution digital roadmaps. This allows PPC to work on winding overland routes and, for example, also consider roundabouts. So far, the use of cruise control on such routes was unthinkable. In addition, PPC now uses data from the adaptive cruise control, which means vehicles traveling in front of the truck are also included in the cruise strategy. As you can see, intelligent assistance systems can also help further reduce the fuel consumption of our trucks. For certain logistics tasks, we also offer the new Actros with an alternative drive, namely with natural gas drive. This emits even less CO2 than our already very efficient diesel engines. Low noise emissions and no particulate emissions are additional advantages of this technology. The natural gas Actros is mainly suitable for heavy-duty distribution traffic, which typically does not cover more than 250 kilometers between two tank fillings. One final and important note on emissions. You may be aware that from September 2019, another revision of the EU's Euro 6 directive will go into effect. Since 2015, the limit values for nitrogen oxides and particulate matter set with Euro 6 have been measured in real-world operations, that is, on public roads based on actual driving and load conditions. The standard has been refined several times since then. With the new revision called Euro 6D, the boundary conditions for real-time measurements are extended. As a result, almost all vehicle conditions that occur are covered. This revision will go into effect in 1 year. With the new Actros, we'll meet this standard in advance when it's launched in the market, as early as in April 2019. The fourth world premiere this evening will settle two accounts: fuel efficiency and safety, and comfort as well. In the new Actros, we are replacing the exterior mirrors and introduce the MirrorCam instead, as the first manufacturer in our industry in a production vehicle. As you can see, on the outside you can see almost nothing. The exterior cameras of our MirrorCam are barely perceptible. That's the key, and that's one of the major advantages. We save fuel because the air resistance is significantly lower than with conventional mirrors. Secondly, we provide more safety, as the driver has much better all-round visibility. In the interior, the driver can see exactly what the cameras are catching at the cab via two displays, and he sees even more. With the help of digital helplines, we offer him additional orientation in different driving situations. Let me briefly show you what that looks like. When driving forward, the displays show the same as a conventional mirror, no difference. The driver has, thanks to compatible digital cameras, greatly improved all-round visibility. There is no elephant ear obstructing his view. When overtaking, the challenge for the driver is not to pull back into lane too early. Anyone who's been on the road with a trailer knows this is not trivial. Here, digital guides provide good orientation. The red area indicates don't pull back in yet. The yellow area means everything's okay. When turning, the MirrorCam automatically follows the semi-trailer. The image on the inside screen swivels, making the trailer completely visible. When reversing and maneuvering, which is the biggest challenge for a truck, MirrorCam also offers a wide-angle view in addition to the normal view. This significantly improves the driver's vision, and thanks to our helplines, which accurately depict the end of the truck, the driver can stop right down onto the centimeter in front of the loading ramp. So much for driving. The MirrorCam is also help after work. The system can be activated for 2 minutes from the bed. This allows the driver to better control his environment when, for example, he hears suspicious noises, and he doesn't have to draw the curtain or even get out of the truck. Vandalism, cargo or fuel theft can be detected faster and more safely by the driver. In total, MirrorCam is a really great improvement. It saves fuel, offers more safety and more comfort for the driver. Here I'd like to quote the drivers from our customer truck clinic for the last time. What do they say about MirrorCam? This makes pulling up to the loading ramp much easier, much less stressful. When cornering around obstacles, I can see more than with a mirror, much less risk of getting stuck. The fuel savings through improved aerodynamics will make my boss happy. The camera pans with the trailer. Very cool. Maybe I would put the wording differently, but when it comes to the content, I fully agree. Ladies and gentlemen, you've seen the new Actros will be more fuel efficient, safer and more comfortable than ever. That's important to our customers, our drivers and our society. We must not ignore another concern of our customers. They need trucks with optimal operating times, because every minute of downtime for a vehicle costs the customer money, and in a narrow margin industry that quickly threatens jobs and the very business. The key to minimal downtime and optimal utilization is connecting the truck to the internet. In the new Actros truck data center, this is planned to become a standard. So the truck data center allows us to evaluate data on the condition of the vehicles, its trailer, its load, and much more. And it can be used for a variety of services. With Mercedes-Benz Uptime, for example, we clearly minimize truck downtimes. The system continuously takes the pulse of our Actros. It detects a critical condition. It can download a recommendation to the repair facility within 240 seconds, fully automatically. This shortens the diagnostic time for initial tests in the repair facility by as much as factor 3. We can completely avoid some repair facility visits by early error detection. And one more number. Most of the vehicles equipped with Uptime have already reduced unplanned repair facility visits by more than half. We are very pleased with these results, and we are certain there is more to come. Thanks to connectivity, in the future, the driver will also be able to access a wide variety of apps from our truck app portal with the Multimedia Cockpit shown earlier. This portal contains apps from Daimler, Fleetboard, and third-party vendors such as truck body manufacturers. All apps are assigned to the truck over the air and are tailored to the needs of the driver and the vehicle. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, we have packed more than just a few innovations in this truck. At one point, we even counted them all up. In addition to the 4 world premieres, there are more than 60 new features, including numerous intelligent assistance systems. These numbers are extraordinary, even in our industry. Behind these features are people who have definitely achieved something extraordinary. Our project team at Mercedes-Benz Trucks. They have developed the new Actros in many months of hard work. They worked incessantly. They were truly excited about their work, and now they can be more than proud of their performance and their product, our latest Mercedes truck with a star. Thank you to all of you. Ladies and gentlemen, let me sum it all up for you. With the new Actros, we wanted to develop nothing less than the truck of the future. That's why we have listened carefully to what our customers need, to what our drivers want, and to the demand society places on the road freight transport of the future. And then we went to work. We sharpened our Actros' senses and connected its synapses. We developed solutions such as Active Drive Assist, the MirrorCam, and our digital workstation. Solutions that support our customers and drivers in their daily work better than ever before. Solutions that make road transport more efficient and safer. We developed the truck of the future. Now it has reached the present. Now we hand it over to our customers, and we are absolutely certain that it will win you over with its interior values. Thank you very much.